Oh, he's going to get me. Ah! Look, he's going to attack me. Ah, no.
My gosh.
Wow, look. Wow.
Oh my gosh. Do you want to tell the kids what's going on?
I have a present.
Max has a present. Our nice neighbor that we love across the street brought presents to us today. And he brought one to me and Daddy and one to Maxie. But he did say, don't open it till Christmas or the Grinch is gonna get you. I think that was a dare.
This look inside.
And look what Max did, kids. Look, he couldn't stop himself. He poked a big hole in it. A big hole. And Max, what did you see in the hole?
A big foot.
A big foot.
Just look in there.
Okay, let's see. Okay, kids, let's peek.
Mommy, look.
What do you think it is, guys?
See that leg right there?
I see something.
Look.
Okay, go ahead. Let's see. We weren't supposed to open it, but he just can't stop himself, guys. He has to open it. It was just, what? What?
Mommy, is this a T-Rex?
Yes.
It looks like an Allosaurus.
It does look like an Allosaurus. It's a T-Rex, bro. And it has batteries and a remote control. What?
Look.
No way. No way. Oh my gosh, what? Add water for fire breathing action. He breathes fire and smoke.
See?
Pretty cool.
How would Gerald know that? How did Gerald know that's something you would love with all your heart?
That this will beat the spider.
Oh, the spider.
I bet he would eat it.
The remote control spider.
Let's go get him.
We'll get him in a minute. Let's just look at this guy.
I bet he's gonna cry when he beats him.
You want him to fight the spider really bad?
Will the spider cry?
Probably. Oh my freaking heck, you guys. This is the coolest ever. This is so cool. Max, did you tell Gerald that you love T-Rexes? Do you think you did? Because how would he know that?
I don't know.
Maybe Elfie told him, huh?
Oh my heck. What if Elfie told...
Where's his tail? He doesn't have a tail.
They probably had to take it off like the other packages because it's too big,
It's in there. Hold on.
This is a zip tie on his tail.
Oh my gosh.
His tail.
Max is so excited. You guys, for the past 2 hours, he cannot stop talking about this present.
What's this tiny?
He wants to open Gerald's present. That's all he kept talking about. What's in my present? I want to open Gerald's present.
This is gas.
For 2 hours. Oh, that's gas. Let's see. Oh. Look at that. Oh my gosh, Maxie.
Hey, Dinosaur, you're supposed to be over here.
We probably need to get some batteries.
Oh my gosh, look at that fierce mouth.
See that thing right there?
Let's see.
That thing. It bags smoke.
Oh my gosh.
Wow, look. Wow.
Wow. That is so cool.
Wow.
Oh my gosh. And look, I bet that's where you pour it, right here. Look, there's the little flap. That's where you pour the water.
I'm gonna jump over here.
Look how fierce he looks.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, look at those eyes.
Look.
Wow.
Look.
Oh my gosh.
Look what his feet is doing.
Yeah? Oh
Open it.
Max, how did Gerald know you wanted a T-Rex that opened its mouth? How would he know that? He's like magic. He's gonna have to have a fight with Big Red Dragon and the other dinos that you have with batteries.
Oh, he's going to get me. Ah! Look, he's gonna attack me. No.
He's biting you.
I'm still alive.
Oh, good. Okay, I was worried about you.
Here's this chicken.
He was tricking, huh? Oh my gosh, Max.
Oh.
That is so nice. That is like totally cool.
I want to look into him.
Look at
I have
him.
to turn him on
Oh my
first.
gosh.
Ah!
Whoa, look at that. He lights up, buddy.
Wow, wow, wow. Instructions. Thank you so much, David. You're the best friend I ever had. Best present I ever hoped for. The wheels were running. The wheels running.
He's so excited he can't stand it.
That makes it fire. I guess.
Papa, you. Oh my gosh, look at that smoke. Oh my gosh.
Hey,
He's ferocious.
Guess what? Here, it's not that.
That's kind of cool.
Whoa. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you guys.
That is pretty cool.
That is
man.
awesome.
I like that.
That is so cool.
You just did that.
Oh my gosh. Santa's gonna be jealous.
Ah!
Gerald got you the best dino. Oh my gosh.
That's cool. Huh?
He's open his mouth.
Whoa, it's like fire. That is.
Oh my
so
gosh.
cool.
It's nuts.
Max.
Thanks,
It's
Gerald.
so cool. Oh my gosh. Gerald is so nice and awesome.
Hey, get away, you big fatty.
Oh my
Go,
gosh. Whoa, he's gonna get you.
Can I do this script?
Yeah, let's do it.
Hey, the spider one.
Gerald will be so happy that you like it.
Oh yeah, he'll be happy. He got you the coolest ever.
Why
Now
is
make
it-
him walk.
Wow, that is.
Oh, so cool, buddy. That is so neat. Max,
Look.
that is so cool, buddy. I love him. I love him. He's so cool. What are you gonna name him? Smokey?
No. Ummy.
What is it?
No.
Ami?
No. Nummy.
Nummy? You're funny. Oh, sorry.
Where we gonna put him?
Yeah, wherever you
Mommy,
want.
you can't switch. Hurry. He's getting away. Hurry. We the switch.
Bring the switch? What do you mean?
That.
Oh, I will. Hold on.
You can't see him.
I can't see you either. Maybe I'll have to do this. Oh, night vision. I'll see you guys.
Motion control. The light button. The light button. The light button. What's that? So I'm just going.
Look,
Get
Max.
up the dice.
Can you see you?
Ah,
Where's you?
nothing's there.
Oh my goodness gracious. That's so cool.
That's crazy.
So
For a toy, dude, that's so cool.
Basically, you just put water in there and it's kind of like a vaporizer.
Yeah.
Max. You are spoiled, Max.
And don't fix this one.
Thank you.